Can you sue if you sit in a chair and it breaks and you're injured? Maybe. It depends on the circumstances. So I'm going to run through a few cases I've dealt with to give you some examples. Sometimes it could be an improper chair for a location. In this instance, there's a large business and a commercial hotel, and they have luau's, all you can eat, all you can drink. Fantastic. So what happened in this case is one of their patrons sat on a chair. The chair broke. He fell back. He injured himself rather severely. So what was wrong? Well, in this particular case, the hotel was using little white plastic chairs that they sell at Walgreens. And the chair didn't have anything actually wrong with it from the manufacturer, but these were residential light duty chairs being used in a commercial circumstance. So because these chairs were not really being used for what they were designed for, in this particular case, there was some fault found on behalf of the hotel. So in another instance, there's improper chair maintenance. You may have a correct chair. It may be used in the proper way. In this particular instance, there was another casino had a chair being used at the pools. And in this particular case, a patron was injured due to a chair at the pool, but the chair itself was a commercial chair and it was being used in this commercial environment. So the chair was correct, but what had happened is over time, the metal frame for the back of the chair had been damaged, and so the chair would not support a person like it was supposed to. So in this particular case, it was an instance of improper maintenance by the casino as opposed to a problem with the wrong type of chair in the wrong location. Now, sometimes there can be a manufacturing defect, which would mean generally the chair came off the assembly line incorrect, built different than the others. That can happen. It doesn't happen very often. Another problem can be a failure to warn. Generally, most chairs that are standard chairs now support up to about 250 pounds. If you have a chair that has no limits on it, no warnings, nothing like that, and somebody exceeding that weight may use it, it may collapse and there may be injuries. That could be a case involving a failure to warn. So on the flip side, if you're in a four-legged plastic chair and you're leaning way back on the two back legs and they collapse, well, that could be some user error because that's not really what the chairs were designed for. So hopefully this is helpful information. If you've got any questions, please feel free to ask. Thanks for watching.